When the Arab countries are normalizing peace deals with Israel, voices of Palestinians are left unheard, and propaganda to polish Israel's image is being spread by content creators around the globe. I am Muhammad Paik from Pakistan. Couple of weeks ago, UAE made peace agreements with Israel followed by some other countries, while many media anchors and social media creators tried whitewashing the Israel's oppression against Palestinians. Famous creators like Nasir Yassin aka Nas Daily has put their part in it. Yassin is an Palestinian Israeli born to a Palestinian Muslim family. Although raised a Muslim, he has ever since stopped practicing Islam. His show Nas Daily has recorded over 1,000 one-minute daily videos. This famous guy has become a conspirator. Many Palestinians accused him of whitewashing Israeli war crimes against them. Some even call him an Israeli agent. Nas Daily has avoided discussing the root cause of the conflict. He often ignores the aggressive nature of the Israeli state, so his peace and harmony calls has always been amplified by the Israeli media. Nas Academy, backed by an Emirati agency, hired 80 plus Arab creators for normalizing UAE-Israel peace deals. An organization called BDS accused Nas for normalizing UAE-Israel deals when most of the Arab people and Palestinians are against it. Boycott, divestment, sanctions called for boycott of Nas show. A Palestinian media activist, Isra Al-Sharif, also abandoned the participation in the Nas Academy project. In an interview with TRT World, she said, in light of UAE-Israel normalization deals that was reached recently, renewed calls by Palestinian BDS campaign were made to boycott all sorts of normalization with Israel, including Daily Nas. That's why I decided to withdraw from the training. Also, I was not aware that Nas produced content that conform Israeli narrative and I think is funded to polish Israel's image. What was Nasir Yassin's reply? Well, he said, after 4 years, 30 million people decided to follow me, and I decided to show to those people those positive aspects. So hiding the devil of Israel behind colors of UAE-Israel peace deals is called the positive aspects. Whatever it is, Nas Daily is the show which brings peace across the communities. According to Khalid Safi, BDS calls will prove counterproductive and Nas show will gain more popularity despite its controversial content. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.